Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmates. My name is Rafael de Jesús López Palomeque with registration number 003140, and I am a student of the Mechatronics Engineering career at the Polytechnic University of the Center. Then I will present my speech that has Mechatronics Engineering as its central theme. First of all, I would like to mention that the reason why I chose to study this degree. It is worth mentioned that this decision took place late, to be exact, when I was in high school. Since then I was still analyzing what I really wanted to do in my life, and I, like any young person, I have many debates. But after considering all the proposals that were made during this period, I realized that mechatronics engineering had everything I wanted. Since this is the combination of different engineers fields, they were precisely all the areas that I like the most, so I chose to study this career. Note that the reason why I chose this career is clear. I can proceed to make my presentation. First of all, it is necessary to understand what mechatronics engineering is, which, according to various sources of information, mechatronics is described as an engineer that combines mechanical, electronic, computer, and control engineer. That is to say that this is a multidisciplinary engineer science in the knowledge of several different areas is applied in order to achieve a very large and diverse field of study. But where can mechatronics engineering be applied? Well, this is sometimes quite easy to answer. Science understands that mechatronics encompasses very broad and complex disciplines. We can say that it has many fields of applications. In fact, mechatronics pretends to be the discipline or engineer in which the products are manufactured, taking into account all the engineer and no separate as traditionally. And its strong point is the versatility to create better products, process, or system. Although it is known that its main objective is the automation of industrial processes. But what does mechatronics represent today? It can be considered a new level of integration for advanced manufacturing process and technology. The intention of this is to forge multidisciplinary work for the creation of these systems, as well as the reinforce the understanding of the process and control. The mechatronics approach is increasing the speed with which ideas are transformed into product exponentially, increasing the process of society. The labor field of the mechatronics engineer is very extensive, which is why it is the ideal career for anyone who wants to be successful in life. Since upon graduation from this career, the range of options is very wide, and the outlook is very favorable especially in Mexico, where it is one of the careers with the greatest demand in future. Mechatronics engineer can develop in large companies such as CFE, Telmex, Pemex, among others, as well as the chemical, food, manufacturing, automotive industries, research and development of technologies. You can also apply up the acquired knowledge to start your own business. For this reason, it is not necessary that we go so much into the matter with the advantages that this career has. Since these are quite easy to identify with all the aforementioned, but it is important that we talk about the disadvantages that he has. Signs like we know nothing is perfect and there are but these among all those benefits, so it is important to consider the following points, since these are the limitations that exist for a mechatronics engineer. They require his training and skills to achieve favorable results. That is, not everyone can access the correct design and handle risks, and uncertainty is the biggest problem to be solved in a project, because we not doing an adequate analysis, there is a risk of failure. The difficult part of implementing a project is finding the human talent and can manage it properly. In conclusion, mechatronics is a great career with an extensive field of work and many possibilities for all those people who have the ability and knowledge to function in this field of study, and for which I consider that choosing to study this career was very good, and I hope to be able to finish my studies so that in the not so distant future I will work in this important field of work that mechatronics engineer presents us. Without further ado, I say goodbye and I appreciate the attention paid.